Hi guys, Dwell here. Today we're going to check the sound level of the DJI Avata. And we check the sound level as it is when delivered. Then we will add some motor protection. And finally we will change the blades and see the impact when changing the blades. Okay, let's try it with a normal setup. So for this test I'm going to use two phones, one which be recording the decibel level and the other one which will recording a wave file, so I can draw some nice graph spectrum analyze later on. Okay, ready for the test? Let's do it. Are you ready, Luke?
Yeah, ready.
Let's try. So the Avata is on the floor, ready to start, and when you have the phone to record and to check the decibel level. Let's try the recording and let's start the Avata. Great. 90 decibels. So let's take the tools. And it's 1.5. The path here. And let's just remove one screw and compare it to the one delivered with the protection. Using motor protection could be good in Sweden because we have a lot of rain, and of course dust and other things can get in the motors and engines. So let's hope the protection do what they should. So the original screws are much shorter, of course, because and then you put it on here. Yeah, that's right, Luca. Thank you. And we want to remove the screws and put some new screws on. Sådär ja. Kopporna är på, the protection are on. Let's check the weight differences. 433. That's 11 gram more than without the protections. Okay, let's try the test again. Now we're good to go. Resetted the max value, average, start recording, and let's start the drone. Ready? Covering position. Put it down again. And stop. Max is 92.7, more than before, and we'll see with the recording we have a frequency change. Yes, you're in your room, okay? And now it's time to change the propellers and see if we get any change in the sound level. So we both master air crews. The 3 with the American's flag. Yes, that's right, Luca. And let's see that we can put those on the Avata. Let's remove the battery first. So let's just make sure we have the correct ones on the correct place. Here, correct rotation side. This, yeah. Okay, they're on now, the new propellers. Let's put the battery on, check the white, and let's do the test again. And 39. And let's start the drone. Now, very nice 90 decibels. So to summarize, this is the normal sound of the Avata. And this is the sound with the three-bladed master air screw.
Jag ska äta. Hej då!
Hej då!